PowerPro Spectra Braided is the only fishing line I use on all of my spinning rods. Excellent line quality and castability is what this line is and has been all about. My most recent purchase was 50 pounds line to rig up for tarpon season here on the west coast of Florida. I used this same line for the past few years on my tarpon rods and I've got to say, it's unbeatable. If you've ever had a tarpon on the line, you know that line integrity is of the utmost importance. I have had a full-grown tarpon wrap itself up in this line, and it still never broke. And those scales are like razors to other fishing lines. Even when using the lighter versions of this line when I am fishing the docks, this line holds up to the abuse. Snook love to run around dock pilings that are covered in barnacles, and I don't even sweat about it anymore when I've hooked up with one on this line. Obviously, you don't want a fish grinding your line on barnacles, but if it happens, this line gives you some breathing room. I've pulled 32-plus-inch snook out of barnacle-infested docks with the 15 pounds version of this line and some good. From my experience, if you're not using this line when fishing, I can honestly say that you are putting yourself at a severe disadvantage. I've been using it for years in the harshest environments that Florida can offer, against the biggest and baddest fish, and I can't think of one time that this line disappointed me. I usually fish form the bank of local reservoirs, with a snap swivel and no leader. I wanted braid to help if I get snagged since I can't just position myself anywhere I want like I was in a boat. I put this on a Berkeley light spinning combo. I've used this now a few times and I have no complaints. I initially put too much on the spool. Loops would slide up and off and get tangled. Once I removed a few yards and retied, I was fine. The color is good. It seems to be as strong as advertised. The other day I was caught in a tree. I needed to wrap the line around the handles of my pliers to get a grip. I was stuck but good. The line finally broke at the knot at the swivel. I easily put 30 pounds of pressure on it. I received packaging as shown and would definitely buy PowerPro again. I've tried a bunch of different lines, because the 250 and 500 yard spools of PowerPro were so expensive. I'd buy up lines when they were on discount and experiment with off-brands. All of it in the 10 to 50 pound test line range. From that experience, I chose to get the 65-1500 yard spool. This line is round, seems consistent in diameter, doesn't stretch, wears better than all of the other braids I've tried, and best of all, it comes in yellow. So you know, there seems to be a lot of colors available with all of the different brands of braid. With PowerPro, I've tried green and yellow. With others I've tried blue, yellow, red and green. All of these are done with dyes, and blue turns white really fast, green and yellow also eventually turn white. The red line was just strung and I haven't fished it. I expect it will turn white. If you fish over 50 days with any line, expect the terminal end to get white and get worn. Click link in description for more reviews. Please click the link below for more information. Please subscribe to my channel for more great products. Please use my affiliate links to support my channel.